The first word is far. What is there in Jurong?
It's all factory and nothing over there. It's all jungle.
The first impression when I told everyone I'm buying a flat at Boon Lay, everyone went like, what?
But things will change. When we start with Jurong Innovation District, our intention was to create a district that is not just a place to work, but it's a place to live and to play. We start looking at what exactly are the things that needs by the community, by the employees, by the residents there. We try to make it as conducive environment as possible, putting in amenities, F&B location, and the other areas we will have to continue to put in industrial space so that it can create job opportunities for Singaporeans. JID itself will be an area where we will have advanced manufacturing, cleaner and more high-tech.
The main reason for us to move into JID is because JID brings together the best minds in the advanced manufacturing industry.
There are going to be plenty of job opportunities. There's going to be high-tech and of course a cleaner work environment in our backyard.
I was very excited when I heard about the 3 new MRT stations coming in the Jurong regional line. It's convenient because it'll definitely save a lot of time and so they can get back to their homes faster.
With JID coming in and so forth, I understand that there will be quite a lot of development. There will be high-tech industrial innovation center and so forth.
I'm looking forward for the Eco Garden. One day I can bring my grandchildren to stroll around the park to show them that in the West we also have the Jurong Innovation District.
We are looking forward to that kind of experience where we are not just going to work but also be able to relax and have fun as though we are in the central business district after work.